Did you know you can make popcorn in your Instant Pot? You sure can, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help you build your baking and cooking confidence. And today I wanted to show you how to make popcorn in your Instant Pot. Now, I used to use a Whirly popcorn popper on the stovetop. It worked wonderfully, and if you have one, that is a great way to make popcorn on the stove. But I recently got a glass top stove, and because of the concave base, I cannot use my Whirly Pop anymore. So I learned how to make popcorn in the Instant Pot, and it works wonderfully. So let me show you what you need and how to make Instant Pot popcorn. To make our Instant Pot popcorn, we're going to need an Instant Pot. And instead of using the regular lid, you'll need a lid that'll just fit on top of your Instant Pot, just like that. It can hang over. You just need something to cover the top of the Instant Pot. We're going to need some popcorn. Here I'm using some organic yellow popcorn. And you're also going to need coconut oil, and this is 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And it does matter what type of coconut oil you use. You want to use refined coconut oil because it will do better with the heat of the Instant Pot. Unrefined is not this high, so you want to make sure to use the right coconut oil and use the refined coconut oil. We're going to set up the Instant Pot. You just need to touch the saute button, and I'm going to use a custom temperature, low, high, and custom. If you have the ability to put it on custom, put it up as high as you can get it. This is going to let me cook at 392, or you can just use the high setting. Whatever you have will work. And then push the start button, and we will wait until the preheat is done and it says hot. Okay, our Instant Pot is now hot, and we're going to add our coconut oil. Just going to slide that in there and then stir it around just to get it melted. As soon as it's melted, we're going to add half a cup of popcorn and give it a little stir, and then try to make it as much in a single layer as you can. So you want to make sure they're in that oil along the edge and in a single layer as much as you can. And we just let that get to going there. Okay, and now that it's going, we're going to put the lid on. Okay, we're just going to let it cook until you hear very few pops left popping, or 2/3 of the popcorn has been popped. You can tell when it's popping good because the popcorn is kind of popping up towards the lid there, and you'll see it kind of hitting the lid if you have a glass lid like I do. And it'll just keep popping, and we'll just wait until it slows down. Okay, our popping has slowed way down, and so as soon as it slows down and most of the kernels are popped, we're going to go ahead and hit the cancel button and then let it sit for about a minute longer. Okay, now it's time for the big reveal, and it's nice and fluffy and looks really, really good. Smells good too, and it pretty much fills it up. And everything popped really, really well. So we're just going to remove it and put it in to our bowl. But it turned out really well. The main things to remember when using your Instant Pot is to run it on high, as high as you can get it, and then use the refined coconut oil. It does make a difference. And then you can put butter on it, or you can put salt, whatever you'd like. But that is how easy it is to make Instant Pot popcorn. Simple, easy, works so well. I don't know if you can tell, but there's barely any unpopped kernels. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make popcorn in your Instant Pot. And if you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe yet, I would love to have you subscribe and click the bell if you want to be notified when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.